Hey everyone, welcome back. If you love creating eye-catching graphics in Canva, today's video is perfect for you. I'm going to walk you through making a super trendy split design with text right inside Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create that sliced in half look you see all over social media and modern branding, making your projects pop with a bold, professional vibe. So let's dive right in and get creative. First things first, head over to Canva and log in. If you don't already have an account, it's totally free to get started, so don't worry about missing out. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button. It's usually up in the top corner. Give that a click. Now, here's a handy trick. Let's set up a custom-sized workspace so our split design will be perfectly proportioned. Choose Custom Size and set the dimensions to 100 by 100 pixels. I know 100 by 100 sounds pretty tiny, but starting small can help you really focus on the split effect without distractions. Once you've got those numbers set, just hit Create New Design and Canva will open up a fresh canvas for you. Now to add a little personality, click on Uploads if you want to use one of your own photos, or use the Elements tab to grab one of Canva's free images. Almost any photo or illustration will work, but pick something with strong color or contrast so your split effect stands out clearly. Drag your image straight onto your canvas and resize it so it fills up your space. Take a moment to get it centered. This really sets the stage for a neat, symmetrical split. Here comes the clever part. You'll want to duplicate your image so you have two identical copies stacked right on top of each other. The shortcut here is to use Ctrl-D or Command+D on a Mac. Just click your image first, then the shortcut, and voila, you've got a duplicate. Don't worry if they look like just one image for now. They're perfectly stacked, which is exactly what we want before we split them apart. Next, we'll position the images. Imagine you're slicing a sandwich right down the middle to make two neat halves. Take the first image, click and drag it to the left side of your canvas. Canva will help you out here. As you approach the center, a purple guideline should appear, showing you that you're exactly at the halfway point. It's almost like Canva knows where you want that perfect split. Now switch your attention to the duplicate. Click and drag this one to the right so that it lines up perfectly on the opposite side. Again, look for that purple guideline. It's your best friend for getting this step just right. Aim for a tiny gap or overlap right on the seam, depending on whether you want a crisp split or a seamless join. And that's it. The magic of the split design is all about that visual separation. It draws the eye and gives your piece a really modern touch. If you want, you can go the extra mile and add bold text across the split, maybe even matching the colors on each side for extra flair. And there you have it, your very own Canva split design, ready to use in a post, story, or even as part of your brand identity. That wraps up this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or even design requests for future videos. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on more simple, stylish Canva tips. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see what you create.